Welcome to an academic technology tutorial on grading forums. We've heard from several faculty that they have trouble grading forums. Most often it happens when you're coming in and grading multiple weeks at a time. In this scenario, I've already graded weeks 1, 2, and 3, and now it's the end of week 5 in my course, and I need to go back and grade week 4 and week 5. The place to start for all grading of forums is at your forums homepage, where you see all the forums and all the topics. Scroll down to the topic that you're ready to grade, select More and the Grade button. The most important part of this is that this week 4 name of this topic matches the gradebook item before you start adding grades. So in this case, when you match those up, you come back with your empty grades and you can give them grades and comments. And then submit. Now, when it's time to go back to grade week 5, you might be tempted to use this drop-down box and just change it to week 5. That's not going to work because this topic is week 4, and this would be a mismatch with the gradebook item in week 5, and it would show your week 4 grades. So what you need to do is go out to the forum homepage again, scroll down to topic in week 5, go to More and Grade. Then select the matching gradebook item, and you should have blank gradebooks and blank comments so that you can go again. And don't forget to submit. A good practice is after you hit submit, always go back to the forum page to start your grading or to start your next topic. If you have any questions about this, please email us at at@antioch.edu.